With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, here is our question. A body of mass m falls from height h0 on the ground. If E is the coefficient of restitution between body and ground, then the height up to which it rises after 10 collisions. Okay, so here it is given that suppose this is our ground, okay, and a body of mass m, this is our body having mass m, is fall from this height equals to h0, okay, and it strikes with ground at this position. Okay, the coefficient of restitution between this ball and ground is equals to E. Okay, now after striking the ground, it will again jump to height, suppose it is equals to h1. Okay, and now again it will come to ground, and then again it will jump to a height of h2. Okay, and similarly it will jump up to 10th collision. Okay, and we have to find the height gained by this body in 10th collision. Okay, so let us try to find this. So in starting, the body is released from this height. Okay, so its initial velocity is equals to 0. The acceleration on this body is due to gravitational force of earth, okay, that is given by minus g, because acceleration is in the downward direction and the value is due to acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so that is why we have written acceleration equals to minus g. Okay, now in moving from this height to ground, the displacement will be equals to minus h0, because this is coming in downward direction. Okay, and let us take the final velocity when it strikes with the ground is equals to v. Okay, so now we have equation of motion which is given by v square minus u square is equals to 2 into a into s. Okay, now let us put the values here to find the value of this v. So we have v square minus the value of u is 0, so it is 0 equals to 2 into the value of a is minus g into the value of s is minus h0. Okay, so velocity when it strikes with the ground will be equals to under root of 2g into h0. Okay, so now after the collision, the velocity will becomes e into v naught, that is the body starts moving in the opposite direction. Okay, and its velocity changes by e times, that is e is the coefficient of restitution here. Okay, so now for this motion the maximum height is h1. Okay, acceleration is same, that is minus g, and the final velocity becomes equals to 0, because at maximum height the final velocity becomes 0. Okay, and initial velocity here is v1, that is equals to e into v. So let us try to find this value h1. So using equation of motion here, we have final velocity equals to 0 minus initial velocity is v1, that is equals to e into v equals to 2 into acceleration is same, that is minus g, into displacement here is h1, because it is in positive direction, that is why we have written plus h1. Now here minus and this minus will get cancelled out. Okay, and it will be e square into v square will be equals to 2g h0, it is equals to 2g h1. Okay, so here 2g and 2g will get cancelled out and we will get h1 is equals to h1 will be equals to e square times of h0. Okay, now if we observe here, so we have h1 is equals to e to the power 2 into 1 times of h0. Okay, now similarly we will write this for nth collision. So it will be equals to e to the power 2 into n into h naught. Okay, so this is the general expression. Now in question we were asked to find the height of 10th collision. Okay, so here on putting n equals to 10, we have e to the power 2 into 10 into h naught. So it will be equals to e to the power 20 h naught. Okay, so this is the height gained by the body after 10th collision. So now let us check the options here. Here option B is e to the power 20 h naught. So this will be the right answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.